Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open browser which you normally use, then tap here, go to history, and then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select the time period for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Next you have to select data formats which you want to clear, for example browsing history, cookies and site data, cache images and files. And then tap clear data, and the history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.